Here I have Motorola G14, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. To do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add stuff which can interrupt your Do Not Disturb mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it. You can also display notifications, like you can only hide sound from notifications, or you can just hide visuals and sound from notifications and don't display them at all. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.